In order to serve the international market better, Jianjie Group invested $15 million to build a new composite material production base and automated production line in Dazhou, Sichuan Province, with an annual output of more than 200,000 tons, which serves various iron and steel enterprises and coal coking industry in the world. Our mainly produces pre-gelatinized maize starch and composite binder, and we also provide bulk solid waste treatment process technology as well, including coke powder cold press briquetting projects, production line design and upgrading of solid waste treatment projects in steel mills, etc. Our goal is to enable our customers to achieve efficient and sustainable production at lower costs. We ensure that you get reliable products made from quality materials under the strictest production control procedures. Please contact us for more solutions.